Hey, I am Kalimbo. Welcome to our Kalimba course. Before we begin, tell me, how do you feel about learning to play the kalimba? Cool. The kalimba is full of relaxing sounds and you might even fall in love with it. Shall we explore together? Here, you'll learn to play the kalimba in an easy and fun way. Let's learn the notes, play songs, and explore this amazing instrument together. Each lesson is designed so that you can learn at your own pace. First, I'll show you how the kalimba works. Next, we'll play our first songs. We'll even learn to read tablature and numbers. To help you, each lesson will have explanations and exercises at the end. Oh, and you can retake the lessons whenever you want. Very good. Now that you know how the course works, let's begin our musical journey with the kalimba.